Today, we are going to unbox and review the JISULIFE Ultra2 handheld fan. This is a super versatile handheld fan. It ends up being a fantastic travel accessory with multiple uses. We'll show you how this fan can also be used as a small hair dryer, inflator, flashlight, and battery pack. We did receive this product for free in exchange for our honest review, so here it goes. As you can see from just the packaging, this is a premium quality product. The first item in the box is a card with JISULIFE support information. On the flip side, we find a QR code and information about the Transparency app, which verifies product authenticity and might have some additional offers. Next, let's pull out the fan and take a quick look at it. What strikes you immediately upon lifting the fan and removing it from the protective plastic bag is the substantial weight and premium build quality. At 10.4 ounces, this isn't a lightweight plastic toy. It's a solid, premium, metal constructed device. Under the fan, we find a small box. Inside, there is a nice velvet carrying bag. It is a muted grey color, with the JISULIFE logo, and similar to the fan, has a quality feel to it. Slipping the fan into the bag, you can see it fits perfectly. It is a great accessory to have, protecting the fan from small drops or scuffing. Once inside the bag, you can just throw it into your purse or backpack or suitcase for travel. Okay, let's take it back out, and we'll explore what else you get in the box. On the left-hand side, there is a larger accessories box. Opening it up, inside, there are a number of items. The first thing we pull out is a cleaning brush. It is a compact tool that is included to help you remove dust, hair, and other debris from the fan's blades, exterior casing, grille, and accessories, ensuring optimal performance. The brush is well designed, with retractable bristles, providing safe, mess-free storage. It also is convenient for travel, even for other items that need dusting. Next in the box is a typical USB-A to USB-C charging cable, probably about 2 to 3 feet long. Continuing, we get a small user guide. Inside, there is a product diagram labeling all of the controls and features, along with operating instructions and cleaning and maintenance instructions. We will go through all of the features in this video, but it is worth a look through, as there are some great capabilities of this fan that are not obvious from just playing with it. Getting towards the bottom of the box, the next thing we shake out is a small screwdriver. A strange thing to find with a fan, but JISULIFE has thought of everything. This tool allows you to remove the screws on the fan's grille or cover for cleaning or maintenance. And the final item in the accessories box is another small plastic bag with a clip-on lanyard. It is a wrist-length strap designed to make carrying the fan more secure and convenient, especially during travel or outdoor use. It has a loop with a small cord that threads onto the lanyard anchor on the fan. It is a thoughtful accessory, especially since the Ultra2 is heavier and more premium than most small handheld fans. The small cord that connects to the fan ends in a solid metal ring that is clipped onto the metal ring of the lanyard. This allows you to quickly detach and reattach the fan from the lanyard if needed. Back in the box, we find a nozzle brush, along with 2 magnetic nozzles. The first one is a flat concentrator nozzle that works great when using the little travel fan as a hairdryer. These nozzles easily attach magnetically to the front of the fan, making it effortless to swap them on or off. The second one is a round concentrator nozzle that can be used as an air pump for inflating small items, like air cushions or pool toys. Finally, both are great for blowing dust out of keyboards, camera sensors, speaker grills, or other electronics. Now let's go ahead and look at the fan in more detail. On this side, you have the power switch and the flashlight button. Turning to the fan side, you have the fan button, the speed dial, and the display. Rotating it to the opposite side, you will find the USB-C charging port, the lanyard anchor, and the flashlight. Those are all of the controls. So, let's turn it on by pushing the power switch to the right. The display will show the battery level for a second or two and then turn off. Next, click the fan button to turn it on. The fan starts at the lowest setting, level 1. Even at this speed, there is a nice breeze. And you can see the speed, number 1, on the display. One feature of this fan is you can quickly get to level 100 by just pressing and holding the fan button. Releasing it drops you back down to the original level. Then you can use the speed dial to fine-tune the speed of the fan. Now, let's go ahead and show you how the magnetic nozzle accessories work. We'll clip on the flat nozzle attachment, because this one specifically also has a magnetic strip where you can clip on the nozzle brush. With the two attachments connected, the fan is now a perfect dusting machine. Great for brushing and blowing away dust and dirt, caught in keyboards, or other difficult to clean items. To turn the fan off, just click on the fan button again. Next, to turn on the flashlight, we just click the flashlight button. Clicking it again, we get to the next level of brightness. And one more time, we get to the highest brightness. The next click puts the flashlight into SOS mode. And if you click after that, you turn off the flashlight. Then, pushing the power button to the left, you turn off the fan. A couple final things before we move on to charging and maintenance. First, at any time the flashlight is on, you can hold down the flashlight button to turn it off. Also, if you double-click the fan button, it will show the current battery level. And with that, speaking of battery level, let's go ahead and move to charging. To charge the fan, you plug it into any USB-C charging source, and it will start charging. The display blinks to show it is charging, with the current level of battery charge. Once it reaches 100%, it will no longer blink. On the flip side, another great feature of this fan is it actually can serve as an 18-watt battery for your other devices. Again, making it great for travel. To charge another device, like a phone, just plug a charging cord into the fan. And then plug in your device. What a great feature! With a large 9000 mAh battery, and support for USB power delivery, PD 3.0, and Apple protocols, you can fast charge a typical phone 2 times, and charge a phone at the same time as using the fan. The fan charges in about 2.5 to 3.5 hours, and at its lowest speed, can run the fan for over 24 hours. Finally, let's talk about maintenance. There are 2 screws on the back of the fan, where the flashlight is, that you can use the included screwdriver to remove and pull out the rear grille. After unscrewing both screws, you can pull out the rear grille cover. Depending on use, it is recommended to clean this at least quarterly, or as you see dust build up. You just brush it out using the included retractable brush. This ensures proper airflow to prevent overheating, reduced motor strain, and degraded battery run time. With the grille off, you can also clean out the fan using compressed air, getting dust out of the inside of the fan housing. Once complete, you just put the screws back in. So our final thoughts as we put the fan back together. The JISULIFE Ultra2 is a standout premium product compared to typical handheld fans. The combination of premium build quality, 5-in-1 functionality, impressive battery life, and powerful performance creates a product that lives up to JISULIFE's claim as the world's #1 portable fan brand. We give it a 5-star rating. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this video informative.